This is the Vintage Jewelry Haul / auction preview for Friday, December 8th and beyond. Everything you see tonight will be in auction. That's Friday, December 8th at 7 p.m. on Hudson Vintage channel. It will also be peppered throughout the rest of December along with things from upcoming videos that you haven't seen yet. We're going to start with this. This came from the $4.5 million estate sale that I went to. That is sapphire and gold. This is also sapphire and gold. I think this one's 14 karat. This one, I don't remember, is either 14 or 18. I think it's 14. And this is an Effie. And that's about 1/4 carat of diamonds and about 1.25 carats of sapphire. Effie stones are really, really high quality. They're at least a G, and they go up to H, or I should say they are at least an H and they go up to G. These are a G. That's a beautiful classic silky sapphire. This has not been available for a very long time. And this one is authentic vintage. So I'm going to be showing some of the better things starting Friday, December 8th and moving forward. But I'm also catching up with everything else. So there's going to be something for everyone. This came out of the flea market find that I did. That will be coming up. The Cinnabar will be coming up. This little chatelaine pin, this is so interesting. There's the back. The giant opalite necklace. I inspected this very carefully and there's no damage. I did see one thing that I checked, and it turned out it was just a bubble in the glass. So that is in remarkably good condition. Look at these incredible sort of asymmetrical shapes. The lavender glass. See the lavender? You can really see it right there. That's a beautiful necklace, adjustable. That will be coming up. This is true Art Deco. This is not rock crystal. It's glass. Look at the cuts. And it has the sort of square cuts or rectangular or, I don't know, baguettes. It's just a very Art Deco shape that they have in these three. That is the center and the two stations. There's the other side of it. Here's the rest of what I found at the Belvedere Flea Market that day. I'll put the card to the video up here if you'd like to watch it after this video. Remember, there's something for everyone. Okay, so we're starting with the Collector's Monet. In wonderful condition. This is adjustable. I've never come across one of these before. I've seen it in pictures, but I've never come across. Here's the old clasp. Fantastic. Then we have this mid-century wood. And you can get an idea of the stations of that. This one also adjustable tassel, great rope. This is a higher end. This is a really long old Coro. Okay, that's bezel set crystal, fabulous old link. This has the old Coro mark. Fold over clasp, beautiful gold plating, beautiful crystal, pointed on one side. This is a real find. If you collect the Swarovskis, take this, add it to it. It'll look like Chanel or better. This Hard to believe I'm selling this one. This looks so good on. This is lucite and aurora borealis crystal. The round balls have bubbles in them. And then there's these sort of organic chunk things, and those are clear. This is in wonderful condition. This turned out to be rutilated quartz and rock crystal. These big beads are rock crystal, and then it's all rutilated quartz and other stones. This is some kind of agate. The tube barrel beads are glass, and the AB crystal is glass, and everything else is gemstone. That's rutilated quartz. That's carved, and these are gemstone as well. And these are rock crystal. And that's what that looks like. This is very old. This is 1930s or 40s. This is very, very long as well. This is like a Pat de Verre blue wired in bead. Look at the old clasp. This is special. It looks like it has some age to it. This is a very special kind of collector-y piece. This will have a decent starting bid on it. Very much what Miriam Haskell used, and Chanel as well. This. Okay. This is a spectacular piece of jewelry. This will be top drawer, and this will be worn in any collection. These are rock crystal. All the round beads that you see are rock crystal, and then these are crystal and rondelles. They're so incredible. This looks very beautiful on. The cut of these is nice. I haven't quite seen anything like this. It is on both sides. There you can see that sort of half moon. Okay, so very Deco inspired, one of a kind, with real rock crystal ball beads. Now back to some of the better stuff. I have been holding on to this part. Next, we have the beautiful Ethiopian opal blue topaz and CZ or white topaz ring. This is a stunning example of what Ethiopian opals should look like. The Menengeti earrings signed on the inside. These are sterling gold and onyx. These are incredibly wearable. Classic. Sort of forever good taste, high-end earrings. These will look good on anyone of any age. This one, I can't believe I'm doing. I love this one so much. This is Mexico sterling and mother of pearl. And you can't see how beautiful it is. You can see the mother of pearl when I hold it up. But to see the design, you really need to see it on a bust or on a person. If you've been watching the channel for a while, then you know what it looks like. This is an incredible modernist piece. And I got at the very eccentric thrift store. They call themselves a thrift store. I don't know if they really are. They're sort of a consignment shop, actually. This is not silver. This is totally handmade, and it does not test as silver. I was holding on to it because it really looks like sort of it could be an important art piece, but I am going to be selling that as an unknown. Okay, so if you've got a feeling about it, now's your chance. This I've been holding on to for a very long time. I've been waiting to see one or find one, another one on the internet. I still have not been able to do it. This looks like old Schlumberger. It is actually Kenneth J. Lane. It is signed in the back. It is a replica, and it's the only one I've seen in real life or anywhere. I've never seen another one online that wasn't Van Cleef or Schlumberger or Tiffany or whatever, you know. So this is costume. It looks real, and it's a very, very special, rare piece, and that's going to be coming up, so stay tuned for that. And the same thing, also the modernist amber. Everyone's been asking me to put this up on the block, and so I'm finally going to do it. If you've been around a while, you've been seeing it in various auctions and me wearing it and using it as an example, other kinds of chains and torques and things. So here it is. Look at it from the side. This is a modernist piece. It is vintage. It's beautiful, sterling and amber. You can have the chain. I'm going to give you the chain with it. I really do think it'll look better on a torque, but the chain is nice. It's a slinky chain, and it makes a nice shape with the elongated pendant. Here's everything else that we've sort of been waiting to get to. The silver pins. This is the Mobius with marcasite. This has a special signature with marcasite. This is just beautiful. It's like a black rhodium patina on the sterling. The Sorelli earrings. They are marked. There is a big earring pre-sale coming up on the Niche Shopping Network very soon. Check the link below the description for the Niche Shopping Network. All the earrings will be specially discounted. So check out the Niche Shopping Network if you haven't already. The link is in the description. This is beautiful. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There it is. Look, asymmetrical topaz rhinestone stones. This is gorgeous. I have shown this and you've been asking me to sell it, and now I'm going to sell it. It's a good one. This is great for layering with your pearls or whatever. This is a really good find. This, I found this in Reno with Danny. That will be coming up throughout December. Oh, the Haskell-esque pearls. These are probably Richelieu or Carol Lee. They're so nice. Really good quality. The Something for Everyone category. The fun costume coin necklace. Mother of pearl and pearl. Great golden tones there. Comes with the earrings, which are clip-on. This is very nice. This is a treasure. This is all sterling silver, wired in beautiful Baroque pearls with a lovely, lovely, lovely amethyst and pearl tassel. This is very beautiful on and one of a kind. I've got 2 pairs of Boucher earrings here, perfect for the season, red and green. These are signed and numbered. This is very special. Look at the bail on that. This is authentic Art Deco sterling and marcasite. I'm sure it has a rhodium finish. Look at that mark. It says sterling. the saddle rings, the carved stone saddle rings. These are a set. I am keeping them together. The old bone choker with the correct leather tie. Okay, so that is genuinely old, and we are keeping it with this. Okay, and there's the clasp on that, old barrel clasp. That's what that looks like. Also bringing the Boucher elephant back, the gold-filled door knocker earrings. These are marked and they are perfect, very comfortable to wear. The druzy, got this a long time ago at Trinity, very kind of handmade piece, inlaid abalone, has a lot of age to it. Pin pendant, this came from the Extreme Collector Estate. Bringing this back, 10 karat gold filled vintage cross pen and pencil set in its original box, very mid-century there. Kind of a great gift right now. Bringing the blue lace agate back, the stretch bracelets, and this, one of my favorites. I can't believe I still have it. This is an old Monet with the higher end crystal. There it is, right there. See that? And it's faux pearls with these stations, these kind of topaz crystal stations. And then there'll be everything else that's coming up in the videos that you haven't seen yet. I have Victorian gold that I thrifted in Northern California, and some very, very exceptional mid-century modern sterling that you got a sneak peek of when I did the auction in Northern California. If you want to be alerted when I drop a video or go live, text 917-809-7250, text hello Dawn, or text send alerts, and I'll put you on the list, and it's free and there's no spam. It's my real phone number. Thank you again. See you in the next one. Bye.